Hi everyone, this is Anita from RMD Engineering College. I am going to give a lecture in Medical Electronics. Unit 1, Biopotential. Normally, whenever a cell is at a resting state due to the process of drift and diffusion process, the cell is able to maintain its stability of ions inside and outside the cell. At normal resting potential, the cell value is around minus 70 millivolts. Whenever an external stimulus is applied to the cell, then Na plus enters into the cell and the cell becomes positive with respect to the central area, and due to this positive voltage, there arises the action potential. This process is called as depolarization, and after reaching this point, there is a reduction in the positive value of the cell because K plus ions leaves the cell, and hence the cell becomes negative valued with respect to the central area. This process is called as repolarization, and after this process the cell once again enters into the resting potential. So there is a arisal of positive voltage at this stage. This value corresponds to 20 millivolts. There are two different periods called absolute refractory period and relative refractory period. In absolute refractory period, the cell will not respond to any new external stimulus. Why? Because the cell is already responding to a stimulus. So in this area, it will not respond to any new external stimulus, whatever may be the condition of the stimulus. And after this period is called as relative refractory period. In this period, the cell will respond to a new external stimulus with the situation or on the case where this stimulus externally applied is greater than already applied stimulus. So this area is called as relative refractory period. The name relative because it is related with the stimulus which is already applied. In relation with the already applied stimulus, we are comparing the stimulus here. When it is applied, the cell will respond only if the new stimulus is greater than the already applied stimulus. And when the cell comes back to its normal state, it is called as the resting membrane potential. It continues to be in this state until and unless an external stimulus is applied to the cell. Okay, so why we require this action potentials? These action potentials could be analyzed to determine or diagnose any diseases that is oriented with the place where it get arised. Thank you.